날카로운 거에 치명적이라고 액정을 조심하랬는데 철로 되거나 뾰족한 거는 절대 두지 말랬는데 철로 된 핀셋에 살짝 긁혔어요. 심하게 긁힌 건 아니고 살짝이었거든요. 스치 정도? 그랬더니 저렇게 선이 쭉 가버렸어요.
But I like this phone, but I don't know how to where I can fix that. And then when I buy that, I pay about the insurance. Something. I don't know. Yeah, it's something. Yeah. So I don't know where I need to go.
Yeah, no, this is the right place.
It's the right place.
Let me look it up really quickly.
Okay, no problem. Take your time.
기다렸다가 직원 설명을 들었어요. 근데 내가 구매했던 폰 보험이 200불 정도 했었는데 액정을 고치는 거는 무료일 거라고 생각을 했거든요. 그 기간 동안. 왜냐하면 다른 폰을 샀었던 친구는 폰에 문제가 있을 때 버라이즌 폰 보험으로 추가 비용 없이 바꾸더라고요. 쉽게. 그래서 액정 고치는 비용으로 200불 정도 추가적으로 내라고 하니까 조금 실망이 되긴 했었어요. 예상을 못했던 일이니까. 근데 원래 기계를 사면 보험 듣거냐고 다 물어보는데 그때마다 다 안 들었거든요. 근데 갤럭시 폴드는 사람들이 하도 약하다 해갖고 제가 부셔먹을 것 같아서 폰 보험을 들었었어요. 그런데 나중에 알았는데 내가 구매한 폰 보험이 액정을 수리해주는 게 아니라 한 200불 정도 내면 아예 새 폰을 보내주는 시스템이더라고요. So what I understand is right. So I bought this contract.
Yeah.
It means if something broke my phone, I need to pay $200, right?
Yeah.
So how many times?
That is
Just one time?
no,
or
it's actually
2 years.
it's for 2 years.
2 years.
Yeah.
Okay. So any issue is the $200, or it depends the problem.
It depends on the type of issue. Yeah. So for each claim, your geese guard protection service fee will be $200.
Okay.
You have purchased a 2-year plan. Call Best Buy to cancel this plan. There's a restocking fee of $45. But yeah, so stands for accidental damage, ADH,
Yeah.
and handling. Accidental damage and handling is the coverage that it's mostly for. If the issue was like something a little different, I know sometimes like the manufacturer will cover it for the 1 year. So that's why, since you do get the free first time with Samsung, I would say try and see if they will do that for you.
Okay, let me check this one first. So if it doesn't work, I'm gonna come back here, right? Okay.
Yeah.
And then do you know this number, phone number, something? Or?
This particular model is limited and they didn't make a lot. Because remember, you have damage on it, so there is a deductible that they're going to charge you on the insurance.
Okay. So how much are they gonna?
For the deductible, it's $200.
200. 직원이 알려준 주소는 삼성 837 워싱턴 스트리트 뉴욕 이쪽으로 가면 된대요. 그래서 그쪽으로 출발을 했답니다. 이쪽 동네는 제가 올 일이 없어서 처음 오는 거였어요. 뭔가 오피스가 많아 보이고 정갈한 분위기의 동네였어요. 여기는 다운타운으로 제가 주로 다니는 미드타운보다 덜 혼잡하더라고요. 근데 구글 맵을 봐도 잘 못 찾겠어서 또 사람한테 물어봐서 도착했어요. 찾았다. I bought here. Yeah.
Okay, September?
Yeah, the first day it come out the US.
Okay.
Yeah, I bought this one from the Best Buy, and yesterday I went to the Best Buy. They told me maybe stop by here first, and then.
Okay, 149 fixes.
So something hit it here,
Oh.
which is what's causing the dead pixel. It's usually $600 to replace the screen, but out of courtesy for one time, we can do it for $150.
With the tax or.
With tax, it comes out to like $170 something.
Oh.
But
Yeah.
it's the impact right there. Something hit it.
Like you must have had something in here when you closed it.
Oh yeah. Well, I just wondering. I heard so the article is that one time the screen changes.
Yeah, that's why we
free.
can do it. No, not
Yeah,
free.
not free.
It's $150. That's why because of that promotion, we can use that and fix it for $150.
Oh.
Without that promotion, it's $600.
Okay. So $150. Okay. Yeah. Last time the Best Buy say they can fix that. They're gonna give the new phone, but it's at $200. So it's
It's up to you.
Yeah.
To you.
Same price.
It's almost the same price, and if you wanna,
It depends. Are they gonna give it brand new or refurbished?
I don't know.
You'd be surprised. You would be surprised.
And then so
If they're gonna do a brand new, I'm gonna repair it.
yeah, but I would just get it.
200.
if I want $50,
So like stuff
I need to leave my phone here
For about 2 to 3 hours.
2 hours. Just 2 hours.
No, 2 to 3. 2 to 3.
3 hours. Need to put it.
But the thing is that usually I work here, and I should be like, yeah, give us the 150. If they're offering you a new phone for 200, take it.
Welcome.
Because why would you?
So like
Us opening the phone isn't the problem. But if they're gonna give you a brand new phone that hasn't been touched, take it. That's the only thing you might want to think about, because we're gonna open it. We're gonna open it and replace the screen. They're giving you a brand new phone.
So maybe let me fix it here.
Okay, that's fine.
Oh, okay.
I would just have to do the inspection and diagnostic.
Yeah.
And then, how do you take this case off?
Case off?
Yeah, for the inspection. I'm gonna do the diagnostic. It's a requirement.
I don't know how to do.
Diagnostic. I'm gonna inspect the phone, and I will plug your phone into the computer just to check it.
Oh, yeah.
After that, we'll fill this out. I give you a copy.
As many people come for the fix the screen or only me?
We don't see too many folds, but things happen.
I don't think it's a very strongly hit the screen, but just a tiny bit, slight bit.
It's sensitive. After tax, 163 and 30 cents. You do not pay until it's finished.
You get in there. Boom.
3시간이면 생각보다 오래 걸려서 폰을 수리하는 동안 맡겨두고 3시간 뒤에 찾으러 다시 갔어요. 그때가 되니까 벌써 어두워지더라고요.
Without looking, you're running this one. That's true. Oh my God. You have the fold?
We replace your screen, battery, back glass.
Battery too?
Yeah, screen and battery come together. Replace the back glass as well as the OLED. So I'm guessing it's another screen as well. I think it's the front screen.
Yeah.
The OLED, yeah. So they did a full rebuild.
Okay, good. And then, but it's very, this part is very weak, right?
Yeah,
So
very fragile.
how can I do keep it safe? Because I worry if it happens next time, I need to pay $600 or something.
600?
Yeah, it's just the one-time discount. So
Oh, they give you a. Oh, wow.
this one is the discounted price. So next time it broken again, I need to pay.
I would say be very careful because that's like an impact.
Oh, so how can I cover here, right?
You can't cover it.
I can cover? No, can.
No, you just have to be careful, like to not have any pressure on it, like no
Yeah,
dust.
everything okay, but
Yeah, it's a very fragile phone. Just need to sign here. Wait for it to deliver.
이렇게 해서 오늘의 생쇼가 끝났어요. 휴대폰을 수리하러 갔다가 다시 집에 갔다가 3시간 뒤에 다시 찾으러 가는 과정이 번거로웠지만 스크린 교체하니까 또 완전 새 거 같더라고요. 생각지도 못한 수리비가 나간 거라 다음에 더 조심해야겠다 생각했는데 오래 안 갔어요. 또 액정을 부셔먹어가지고 다음에 얼마 안 가서. 갤럭시 폴드 1의 제일 큰 약점은 스크린 약한 거 하나가 제일 컸어요. 다른 건 다 좋음. 접었을 때 사이즈도 잡기 편하고 제일 큰 장점은 그래도 스크린이 커서 작은 화면 보는 것보다 훨씬 더 편하더라고요. 내 입장에서는. 그런데 스크린 약한 거가 크게 안 좋은 것 같아요. 왜냐하면 수리비가 많이 드니까. 1세대 약점임을 알고 산 거지만 내 예상보다 좀 더 약했어요. 그래도 저는 아이폰보다 삼성폰이 더 좋더라고요. 약간 더 혁신적인 것 같아서.